Morning students, I am Jyoti, JBN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am going to discuss on the topic field trip as a learning resource, which is from the course Pedagogy of Biological Science and for the program BSc BEd 6 semester. So let's start the field trip first from the introduction. Field trips are recognized as important moments in learning, a shared social experience that provides the opportunity for students encounter and explore novel things in an authentic setting. Their importance is supported by professional organizations such as National Science Teacher Association, which is called NSTS, and which asserts field trips can deepen and enhance the classroom study. And that was described in the 1999. And the National Research Council, who assert a quality science curriculum, is one that extend beyond the walls of the classroom. Now here are some outcomes of field trips. Field trip are an important part of the science curriculum because it provide opportunity of hands and experience of science. It is a visit to a place outside the regular classroom which is designed to achieve certain objectives which cannot be achieved as well by using other means. We can understand by taking example of interdependence of plants and animals. And the textbooks provide conceptual knowledge but cannot provide hands-on experience, so that may create difficulty in achieving educational objectives. So in such a lesson, this strategy of field trip is required to learn the objectives in the very clearly manner. So field trip give opportunity for the learner to get out of the classroom and experience many new other things. So the located place for the field trip can be zoo, college, museum, theater, school, science park, botanical garden, etc. Now here are some field trip models are given like by the researchers. Researcher has demonstrated the field trip can be designed to more effectively support students learning. Field trip work best when they provide support for students to explore in a personality meaningful way. Prior knowledge and interest of the students impact learning during the visit. The social context of the teacher agendas, students experience during the field trip, and the presence of absence and quality of the preparation and the follow-up. A successful and quality field trip require a teacher's preparation and the interaction. If the teacher are preparing very well, then the field trip will be very well. Now field trips are also beneficial for pre-service teachers because of opportunities the experience provide for them to make real world connection and engage in authentic learning process. Several studies demonstrate how field trips were used as a part of the learning process for pre-service teacher, including constructivism, reflection, and the content knowledge. Here are some benefits of the field trip and how field trip affect our learning, affect the learning students learning. It help in clarifying the subject matter. It create interest in the subject. It has entertainment value and makes the learning enjoyable. It helps the learners in establishing contact with outer world. The field trip develops scientific attitude and scientific temper among the students. It also excursion very useful in collecting useful material, and this help in developing the spirit of cooperation among the learner. It provides opportunity for the selection of the projects. Thank you. I hope you are satisfied. The lecture, which is powered by the Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University digital version 2. If you have any query, then please mention comment box. Thank you.